Okay, we exploded yesterday and we hold above our support level, as I told you exactly in the last video I did in pre-market. So without further ado, bless the like button as always trading Jesus told you. No BS, no editing at my channel, straight to information, straight to the chart. So let's get right to it. Look with me what's happened to LKCO and the game plan for today, guys. Really important. Look what's happened. This is crazy. If you're new to the channel and you're late in a party, we talked about this big triangle and a massive breakthrough and explosion gonna happen for LKCO the moment we close here, and that's what we did yesterday, and we exploded from our resistance. That's why we see a massive rejection around this area, and we went as low as $2, and I told you we need to hold above the $2, and we did. We didn't go below it. That's why we see the price go over our support level or resistance, and around the $2.12 as I said before, because this is move a bit. Let me check. Okay, at $2.12 precisely we actually hit our support level here, and we went up. And look with me exactly what's happening in our pre-market. $2.12, guys, around our support exactly. So by even the pre-market is testing our support right now, and this will be perfect if we open the market and we see a bounce here. This will be really nice, really good entry point to get in if you're still late in the party, because this is a confirmation for our resistance before. Now is to the support, and the rocket is ready to explode again, guys. And we're gonna see the price go as high as the $2.78 and the $3 here. We're gonna see a bit of turbulence before we actually go to $3.78, and there we're gonna see a massive rejection and a big squeeze if we just go over this resistant area around this technical area around the $3.78, and the other taken profit will be around the $4.94. So be careful from those two prices, because this is where the big squeeze is gonna happen. By today, hold above this support around the $2.11 and bounce from it. This is a big indication of strength, and any price go a bit of low, we're gonna see a test again for $2, and any price hold above $2 is still really good sign. But as I said, guys, LKCO is really volatile, so we might see a bit of fluctuation before we actually see the big squeeze. And any price above this ascending line is still good, guys, because as I said, LKCO have really a lot of volatility. The average volume is still minimal, not like Wish or the other meme stock, because LKCO is not heavily trending on Wall Street bet. That's why we don't see the average volume over 100 million like the others, but still we actually above our explosion area, and this is really nice, and still have the momentum to go even higher. And the momentum in the small picture is exploding, and the momentum even in a big picture exploding. So this is a really good sign, and hopefully we hold above the $2.12 will be perfect sign for explosion very soon. And this week even we're gonna see the $2 here around the $2.74 before we see a bit of turbulence between the $2.75 and $3. Be careful, because there we're gonna see another explosion around the $3.78. This is the game plan for LKCO. Always take your profit underway, and define yourself what's the strategy you actually working with. Because if you're short, like you're swing trader or you're long holder, this is completely different. And always focus on your strategy, not other people's strategy, because this will confuse you and make you get out from your plan, and will have like the spiral effect of losing trade, because you never stick to your trade, and you always stick to your strategy even is not working. At least when you do the data and you put it in front of you, you know when you did wrong and you perfect it and the way. This is how you find your strategy and how to perfect it in the long run. If you just if every time you collect data or you change yourself from swing trade to long trade and then you go to the hype trend, and is not good for you if you want to be trading or investing in the long run, because investing is a marathon, guys, not sprint. So this is why we try to teach here, not to just giving information, but I'm trying you to teach you guys how to trade. This is really important. But if you want to get deeper and analyze the market maker do, but if you want to perfect your strategy and try to minimize your risk and minimize your losses and maximize your gain, try to check my Patreon link in comment section below. We are already almost 20 hunters right now, so join the hunter tribe and let's go to see what strategy we can actually fix for you, and we take your trading strategy to the next level. So without further ado, press the like button and let's get ready to hunt. See you guys in the next video.